Hey, Kitten, I'll be going to work. But I don't work anywhere. Shut up. Whatever. Huh? What are those? Whoa. I kinda wanna take a closer look at that. Oh my gosh. Where am I? What is this? Wait. Is this my house? No, this isn't my house. Huh? Wait a minute. What is this? Ah! What is this? Where am I? Why are they spinning? Why are they? Why are they getting bigger? Why are they increasing? What's happening? Why is this happening? What's going on?
Huh?
Huh? What is this? Why can't I move? Why am I... Wait, what's that? What's that? Oh no. What? Huh? Why am I in Roblox? Why can't I talk and...
It's only now that I understand the depth of the depravity of this creature, this monster that I unwillingly helped to create. As if what he had already done wasn't enough. He found a new way to desecrate, to humiliate, to destroy. As if the suffering wasn't enough, the loss of innocence, the loss of everything to so many people. Small souls trapped in prisons of my making, now set to new purpose, and used in ways I never thought imaginable. He lured them all back to a familiar place, back with familiar tricks. He brought them all together. Are they still aware? I hope not. It keeps me awake at night. I could make myself sleep, but not yet. Not until I undo what he has done and heal this wound. A wound first inflicted on me, but then one that I let bleed out to cause all of this. He set some kind of trap. I don't know what it was, but he led them there again.
Huh? It was just a dream. I wonder what the others are doing.
Your power is a plague on existence, yet you still arrogantly push forward.